How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. Today I'll be checking out a very simple restoration item for the Fox Mustangs, and that is the Dome Light Switch. We all know this. As vehicles get older, parts begin to fail. Previous owners work on the cars, and they don't always put things back where they go, or they do a shoddy job at fixing whatever it is that they're working on. So the Dome Light Switch is pretty simple. When the door is closed, the light turns off, and when the door is open, the light turns on. This replacement Dome Light Switch I have here is built with OE grade materials and offers a factory-like fit and finish into your 1983 to 1993 Fox Mustang. Now, installing a Dome Light Switch into a Fox Mustang couldn't be any easier. You'll simply open the door and locate the switch towards the bottom portion of the door jamb on either the driver or passenger side. Loosen the 9/16 swivel fitting in order to remove the existing switch from the door jamb. Pull out on the switch and then disconnect it. If the wires happen to get rolled up, simply twist them in the opposite direction. Go ahead and take this time to wipe down the area, including the wires and the connector. While replacing the Dome Light Switch, I'll also be installing a new Dome Light Switch boot. This simply slides over the threaded end of the switch. Since the new boot comes with a black plastic washer, I'll be using this instead of the one that is pre-installed onto the switch. Align the new Dome Light Switch with the connector and then plug it in. Push in on the switch and verify that the dome light goes off. Once this is verified, twist the wires 2 to 3 turns as you were loosening or removing the switch. Align the swivel fitting with the door jamb and then begin tightening the fitting with the 9/16 socket. Make sure the fitting threads in correctly, as it can easily be cross-threaded because of the angle. Tighten down the switch and then close the door. Do the same for the other side if you have to, and then you're good to go. Those of you that have been a part of the channel or have followed our videos for quite some time now, you know how big of a fan I am of easy restoration parts. So this Dome Light Switch is obviously going to be for the Fox Mustang owner out there who needs a new one because an existing switch is no longer working, or of course someone that is restoring a car and is wanting to install new switches to complete their project. Regardless of the situation, this Dome Light Switch will fit the bill. Now, for the most current pricing and product information, be sure and check out LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.